Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Obviously, I am not very patient and I have already opened it up, so I apologize. First things first is the wrapping, okay? This is an Arbonne unboxing. It is my first time ordering through Arbonne. I ordered through one of my friends, Tabitha Neely. She's a little hustler, okay, and at first I wasn't going to order anything, but she talked me into it, okay? She's doing what she's supposed to be doing. So first, let's see. It comes with this little welcome Arbonne product catalog, which I already looked through, and I love so many of the products in here. There's makeup, there's nutrition, skincare, there's shampoo and lotions. Okay. This is a strawberry flavored pea protein shake powder with over 20 vitamins and minerals. I am super excited. I love strawberry flavored protein shakes. And this is honestly very heavy, a lot heavier than most protein powders that I buy for some reason. I'm super excited about this. And I also got the vanilla flavor. I love vanilla. I'm probably going to do 1 scoop of each of these for today's shake. Otherwise, I'll do vanilla with peanut butter, and cinnamon's good in that also, and then I can do strawberries and banana. That'd be awesome. Next, we have Daily Fiber Boost, and this is dense. I was not expecting it to feel like this. I don't know if you can hear it, but can you guys hear that? No, probably not, but it includes 12 grams of fiber, helps you feel full longer, and it's flavorless. So you just add 1 scoop, but to start off, I'm just gonna do half a scoop because I don't know how intense this is going to be. I'm just gonna do half a scoop in my protein shake. Next, Arbonne greens. I already take a greens supplement because I do not eat the way I should be eating on a day-to-day basis, and I know that's not good, but that's why this comes in handy, and that's why I continue to buy greens, because it's just 1 scoop with 8 fluid ounces of water, and honestly, you just gotta chug it down. They don't taste the best, but it does the best for your body. So that's what really matters. Let's see what else I got, guys. Energy Fizz Sticks. Strawberry flavored. Let me see. It's just, you add 1 stick for 8 ounces and you stir, and it's supposed to give you natural energy. So they're just these little pouches. I've never tried them. I'm honestly really excited to. I usually just drink Bangs, but this is going to be a little healthier. So I'm excited to try that. And it's strawberry flavored, and I feel like that's just perfect for the summer season with some ice cubes, and drop some lemon in there. Yum! Let's see. Digestion Plus. You add 1 stick with 4 ounces of water, and then you also chug it down like a shot. Never tried this before. Obviously, I've never tried any Arbonne product before. I'm sure I've already said that multiple times. So this is going to be interesting. It's going to really help my digestion. Let's see. And of course, I got the Body Butter Trio. Did I need this? No. Was it essential? Also a big no. but you know I love my body butters, okay? And especially when they're scented vanilla. I love vanilla scents. I love coconut scents also, which is coconut, rose, and vanilla. Let's see. This is the coconut one. Let's see. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be really, really good. I'm excited. I love body butters and lotions. And then next we have this facial cleansing cloth. It is to cleanse the face. And then we have little samples in here, or free gifts. But this is my Rescue and Renew essential oil, lavender. I've never used an essential oil, but I'm hoping I can just put a couple drops in my bath and I will feel at one with peace. I'm hoping that's how essential oils work. It's a work in progress with those. Let's see. This was one of the free gifts. It is a vegan cleansing milk. Gently massage in circular motions, rinse with water, and remove. So here's how it came. It's basically just this little itty bitty, I honestly don't know what it is. I think it might be a lotion or like a face wash or cleanser. Oh, it's a cleanser. It's a cleansing milk. But it is just the cutest little thing. I love itty bitty items. Anything that's small and dainty and just like pocket size is so adorable for me. Another sample here is Biohydria gel cream, which looks super awesome too. I love free gifts. And then we got some thank you letters from them. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. I hope it was as entertaining for you as it was for me to film. Make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you.